Hello everyone, Carpenter here, and today we'll be unboxing and installing the 1994 to 1998 Ford Mustang hood prop rod clip. This is made by Daniel Carpenter, and it's sold for $7 US. This is a very easy, straightforward install. All you'll need to remove your old one is a flathead screwdriver or a knife or something similar. It's a good quality plastic too, so I don't see it breaking unless abused. No affiliation, but I really like shopping at LMR just because it has a bunch of the bolts and bits that other sites typically don't seem to carry anymore, so thank you LMR for keeping the good stuff. Simply pry the old one out, there's no technique needed, and then push the new one in. It'll clip in automatically and be good to go. You can see here I rattle it extremely hard and it's in there tight. No complaints, that took just a few seconds.